Righto, there is this street foodie, it's not really street food, but an area in the French Quarter near the high school where you can get some local foods and special Turkish meat. This is Day. I lied, the Turkish meat's not available, but we are having brekkie here today at this particular establishment, which is called Nong Kang Pho. Hello Cambodia, they've got Food Panda here. Lots of delivery stuff happening here. And yeah, we've just got the kids with us today. We're going to shout at brekkie on today's Tasty Tuesday. It is just after 8 AM, which is late by local standards. And this establishment is essentially a corrugated tin shed, which I'm assuming is going to bake when it's hot. Luckily, it's only for brekkie. Got a bar here. They've got some piss behind the bar, it looks like. Is it? Or is it just bloody soy sauce bottles? I don't know. I can't see from here. It's too early. Been here before? Recommendation from Tita. She's coming here too. Right. Soup and noodles. If you're into soup and noodles.
They're famous for the fish one.
Are you going to have the fish one?
Yeah.
Of course.
I'll have mix.
Seems pretty bloody popular.
They have noodles.
Duck noodles. Oh. Right, this large group out here, Canal records are Khmer tourists from the Big Smoke. Getting an authentic Khmer experience. Is that right?
Huh?
They've like come from probably the city or something like that.
Yeah, come from there.
Hence the scarves. Nah, no just for me. You get that every now and again. Big groups of like Khmer tourists from Phnom Penh, the Big Smoke coming in to get like a village experience, and then they go piss off to the temples for the day, which is good because we need tourists in it.
What did you say?
You didn't hear any of that?
I know you said they piss off to the temple.
I said it's Khmer tourists. They come here to get a local experience and then piss off to the temples.
Yeah, they do like, you know, they dress up, the traditional dress up stuff.
Yeah.
Or they dress like tourists.
Because look, there's a fair few scarves hanging about and bright clothes, which look people don't really wear in daily life. Some more over here too.
Mom.
Oh, you don't like it, buddy? Not a fan. Mau Mau? What has Mau Mau got? Deal? A say? What have you got? What the hell's deal? Well, it's definitely that. Let's have a look at the chef cooking area. Is this Day? Klang. Say, there's meat, there's the bones, there's the chicken. It's all here. There's the flavours that go into the soup. It's all happening at the front here. Look at all the little bits and pieces she chucks in. And here's the big tourist bus. The Universe Express. So that was my food she made at the front. I don't like these little
I don't like it either.
angel hair noodles. I prefer the big flat ones. Big bit of fat. Isn't it, buddy? What'd you say? What happened? What just happened?
He said we don't like this kind of bone, and he took it back to maybe put some the beef, fresh beef.
What about the size of the noodles?
This is small. That's the only size.
Is that katil?
Yeah, katil. Oh, isn't that what you want?
What happened to the big fat noodles?
You want the big fat noodle?
Doesn't matter. Too late. Just to get
Too late.
Vagueness gets you what you. I thought you didn't like these noodles.
I like this noodle, not the round one.
Akon. There we go. some actual meat instead of some fat. Max is now in the hands of Canal. Let's try out the grub. Mister.
Really nice coconut coffee.
Meat's alright. The beef's quite tender.
Hai con thấy.
I don't know about these little noodles though.
You don't like this noodle?
No. Too much piss farting around. Like a bigger pasta.
This is the traditional pho noodle. The traditional noodle.
Well, do you think this is just as good as the one we went with Slow Neck?
I like the soup is better.
Soup seems alright.
Say no, pronto sabe.
Yeah. The soup seems better here than the one we went the other day. But I do prefer the bigger noodles, regardless if this is traditional or not. And having said that as well, I think I still prefer some muesli and milk.
Oh,
But
you
when
want
in Rome,
muesli? Con là mấy bánh trắng.
Mr. Bum's being a pain in the bum. Anyway, let me pound through this. I'll give you a verdict in a minute. So all told, our meals here were $12.50. So that was 4 soups and I think 3 coffees. I don't know if that's any good or not. Seems a bit on the pricey side, but we are in a nice establishment here. I thought the noodles were... Look, I don't like the small ones, but the taste and the flavour of the soup was better than the other joint we went to, so I rate this one higher. I think that'll be it for Taste of Tuesday. I'll leave a link to a spot on the map, or I'll show the map here where this joint is. And I don't think I'll be filming any more noodle soups because I'm noodle souped out. And I'm pretty sure you guys will be too. Anyway, see you in another one. Chica, ciao. Mister, buddy boy. Doesn't want to conform. Buddy, chica, ciao.